So, magluluto na tayo, mga loves. Hello! Huh?
Where's the phone?
Where? Oh, I don't know. Where's the phone? I haven't used it today. I haven't used it today, Jan. I don't know. So, do you think mushroom goes with a fish cake?
Okay.
Well, have carrots instead and cauliflower. What do you think?
With fries,
With fries, and I will make a
creamy sauce.
creamy sauce.
Okay.
Yeah? What would you like with your fish cake? Would you like baked potato or fries? Oh no, we'll have a baked potato because I will make a cauliflower cheese.
Okay, we'll have a baked.
So some of you were wondering how I make my cauliflower cheese. Napakita ko na to sa inyo before, pero yun nga, yung iba hindi siguro nanonood ng maigi, kaya ayun, na-miss nila. So ipapakita ko ulit kung paano ko gawin yung cauliflower cheese natin. So first, yung main ingredients natin is of course cauliflower. Simple lang ang paggawa ng cauliflower cheese. If you know how to make a bechamel sauce, bechamel ba? Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but I think it's pronounced as bechamel. Magkasing pareho lang sila ng proseso kung paano gumawa ng bechamel sauce. Lalagyan mo lang siya ng kaunting Dijon mustard, cheese, flour, and milk. Basta makikita nyo later. So at the moment, I am boiling a water para mas madali. Hindi ko siya bibiyakin. I just leave it as it is. I-prepare ko lang yung other vegetables natin. And I will be back once I am preparing our sauce for the cauliflower. So ito na, gagawa na tayo ng ating sauce. Naririnig niyo yan? I don't know if you can hear it, but that's a wind. So kung may naririnig kayo, hangin po yan. Huwag kayong magtaka. So first, yung gagawin natin sa ating sauce is magpapamelt tayo ng butter. Tansya-tansya na lang talaga. Basta ito yung ingredients, butter. We melt our butter sa medium heat. Kasi pag full on yung heat nyo, masusunog yung butter nyo. So once completely melted na yung butter natin, ilalagay na natin yung ating plain flour. So yung plain flour, tansya-tansya na din. Mostly, yung nilalagay ko, 2 teaspoon. Ganito. Niluluto ko siya sa butter. Then, mix lang. Yan. And then, pag na-mix mo na sila, lalagyan nyo na siya ng milk. So, ngayon, lalagyan na natin siya ng milk. And the usual, tansya-tansya lang din. Paunti-unti.
Now darling.
Yes.
Don't forget to put the biscuit.
I won't. So ngayon na medyo thick na yung sauce natin. Yan. Ilalagay ko na yung cheese. Yan. Ito. Alam nyo na. Tansya-tansya. Tansya-tansya lang. Kailangan nating magtira para sa toppings. So, hinaan nyo lang yung apoy or remove the pot completely sa heat ninyo kasi mamimelt din siya. So, halo-haloin. Ayan ito. Once na melt na yung cheese natin, maglalagay tayo ng Dijon mustard. Honey, can you taste this for me? Because my mouth, it doesn't taste right. Yeah, but you need to taste it.
Dijon. You're putting Dijon in there. What's Dijon?
Just hang on.
So you're not
We're
ready
just
for-
gonna add salt and pepper. Just a little. Come on, I'm ready now. Right, can you try it? And so, see if I can... Can you try it, please? See if I need to add more
How
salt.
do you know my taste buds are good?
Yung panglasa ko ngayon,
Good.
iwan ko maalat. Come here. Down.
Ooh la la.
Or do you, is it okay? Do I need to add more salt?
Put cheese in.
No, that's for the toppings. I already put...
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Is that okay?
Absolutely.
Okay then. So, sabi ni Mr.
Best I've ever had.
It's fine na daw. So, ito na.
It top right lights. I've seen
So, ito siya. So, John at the moment, he is emptying the dishwasher.
Because someone forgot about the dishwasher.
I mean someone.
This is the problem with
Who
dishwasher.
is that someone?
I can't give that information out over the cameras.
And now, ipo-pour natin yung ating sauce. What do you call this, honey?
Well,
What do you call this?
call it a sieve.
Yeah, so you can do this or
No, that's where you get rid of white lumps go.
it's up to you. You don't need to do this really, but
She likes making washing up.
but sometimes kasi merong lump. Honey, can you scrape the bottom, please? I cannot hold the... What do you call this again? This one? Shifter?
Shifter?
Yeah.
That's a spanner.
What is that?
This is...
No, here.
Oh, there.
Here, sweetheart.
It falls in there.
Oh. Ah, I think that's enough. And toppings, cheese toppings. And yun na, ito na yung cauliflower cheese natin. Yan. Well, no. We need to put this in the oven for 20 minutes. But ito, sobrang dali lang talaga gumawa ng cauliflower cheese. Itong fish cake na to, nabili namin to sa Aldi. Honey! It's ready! tea is ready.
I'm not well.
You're not well.
No, I'm not felt brilliant today.
Do you want the butter in your potato?
Oh, we always have a little butter in, don't we?
Here's our potato.
She has orange, I have cranberry. Mine's a healthy one for the man. It keeps things happening.
What?
Secret.
Secret.
Why don't you use the oven glove, darling, instead of...
You're right though, but I am left-handed, you see, and I feel like I don't have a grip on my right hand. And it's too big.
Too big, huh?
Too big. So, lalagyan namin siya ng kaunting butter. That's enough because we will pour the sauce over.
The sauce, eh? The sauce.
Galing sa cauliflower.
Hot, darling, hot.
Cake. And yours.
Put this on, put that on there, come on.
And this is our cauliflower.
Yeah,
Not yet. Ito,
I'll
ito yung
I'll
finished
use it.
product ng ating cauliflower
Oh.
cheese.
Yeah.
Hello mga palangga! Good afternoon! So, ngayon, mag-o-open tayo sa ating pang 14 na item sa ating beauty advent calendar. And, tingnan nyo, nawala na yung pimples ko. I still got the mark, pero at least, ano na siya, nawala na siya. Pero, dito, may lumalabas na naman na pimple. Pero, okay lang yan. Pimple lang yan. Sanay na ako dyan. So, yung pang 40 natin na item is ito. Ano na naman kaya to? Wala dito si Jan. Nag-clay pigeon shooting. Ewan ko kung ano yung weather. Ewan ko lang kung nai-enjoy ba niya yung pag-clay pigeon shooting niya ngayon kasi umuulan. Pasensyahan nyo na, yung boses ko, ano pa din paus. So, ano to? Hindi ko mabasa. Naku! This could be an eyeliner as well. Meron na tayong isang eyeliner na glittery. Ala, sige na lang. Uy, i-open ko na lang. Kasi yung last two items na pinakita ko sa inyo, hindi ko siya inopen. Yeah, eyeliner din siya. There you go. Black din. So, dalawa na yung eyeliner natin. Itong isa, merong glitter siya. Ito, matte lang siya. So, yeah. Magagamit ko naman to. So, okay lang na inopen ko. Yung iba lang, hindi ko siya magagamit. So, anyway, yun na. Yun na yung ating pang 14 na item. Gutom ako ay. Ano ba yung kakainin ko? It's warm here. Nakalit kasi yung fire. There you go. Someone asked nga pala if kung saan ba daw magpapasko si Bianan. Dito siya magpapasko kasi nung birthday niya, sinabi niya sa akin or sinabi niya sa amin ni Jen na, is it okay if I spend Christmas with you again? Because last year, dito din siya nag-Christmas sa amin. So I said to her Yes, of course, it is fine. You are more than welcome to come whenever. Hindi lang Christmas. Kung nalulungkot ka sa bahay niyo, pwede kang pumunta dito. Pero lately, si Bianan, every time namin na tinatawagan namin siya, nagbibingo siya. Nagbibingo kasama yung mga kaibigan niya. So, I can sense naman na happy siya sa kung nasaan siya ngayon. Right, so ano nga ba yung kakainin natin? Magpipichis tayo. Peaches and ice cream para pantanggal ng sore throat. I think maging malala pa nga yung sore throat ko kung kakain ako ng ice cream. Pero, well, I am craving an ice cream. So, mag-ice cream tayo. Kahit na ganito yung weather. Kasi yung weather, umuulan. Tapos yung ulan may kasamang hailstone. Kaya malamig talaga sa labas. So yung anak ni Jan at yung girlfriend ng anak ni Jan, hindi sila magpapasko dito sa amin. Last year, dito sana sila magpapasko pero na-cancel kasi nagkasakit sila. So wala. At ngayong taon, hindi naman sila magpapasko sa amin. Magpapasko sila sa kaibigan nila. Iba dito pag Christmas. I always find their Christmas here very quiet, very lonely. Nasanay kasi ako sa atin, di ba, na, well, I came from a big family. So, nasanay ako na pag Christmas, madami talaga kami. May mga handa. Simplihang handa lang, pero at least sama-sama kami. Binyagan natin tong ice cream na to. Hindi pa to nabuksan. Yan. Sobrang sarap tong ice cream na to, ito. At affordable naman siya kasi, ay, gaano ba to kalaki? 2 liters siya. And, I think sa Tesco, 4 pounds and something pounds ata. Hindi ako sure sa presyo, pero yung presyo is nagre-range sa 4 pounds something. Nakalimutan ko na. For some reason, my memory card, the memory card that I am using in this camera right now, it keeps saying memory card error. It films so many minutes and then it stopped and then it will say memory card error. I don't know what's happening, but it seems there's a problem. Titingnan ko mamaya if yung memory card malapit na ba siyang mapuno, because it could be the reason why it keeps saying memory card error. Nako. Anyway, yung kaibigan pala namin na kukuha ng Christmas tree, Divin, I was not here when Divin, they come the next day. And yeah, they seems happy to have the Christmas tree and they said thank you and they gave us a card. So, yun. Ang sakit ng ribs ko. Pag umuubo ako, my ribs is aching. I don't know why. You know, there are situations that sometimes when you cough, you can break your ribs. I hope I don't break my ribs. I don't think so. Pag umuubo lang talaga ako, masakit. I have checked the memory card and it's not full because I was thinking, how can it be full? I just empty the card. So there's a few video and yung nagamit niya na capacity 4 gig lang and yung card 64 gig siya. So finormat ko ulit and ito na, ginagamit ko yung memory card na nag-error. So hopefully talaga hindi na siya mag-memory card error. So anyway, magluluto tayo, magsasaing tayo kasi magra-rice ako today. And si John, he will have the leftover meat and potato pie. Kasi yung natira, it's good for 1 person. Kaya ayun, nag-volunteer ako. Charot, nag-volunteer. Mas nai-enjoy ko kasi mag-rice kaysa sa mag-potato. At meron naman akong green beans dito. So, gagamitin natin. So, yun. Masaya yung tiyan ko ngayon. Anyway, mga palangga, dito ko na i-end yung vlog natin for today. Hindi ko na siya pahahabain kasi wala talagang ganap. Pero dahil sa vlogmas, hala, sige, vlog lang kahit walang ganap. And also, mga palangga, paki-comment na rin if na-encounter nyo na or na-experience nyo na ang problemang magka-memory card error. Hindi ko lang talaga alam kung bakit nagkaganon kasi bago ko lang talagang in-empty yung card ko, finormat ko, and yun, nung nag-film ako, sabi doon, memory card error. So, at sabi ni Jan, why not i-format mo ulit? And until now, nagfi-film pa din siya. So, hopefully, na-sorted na yung problema natin. Hopefully lang talaga, kasi kanina namamblema talaga ako. So, anyway, ang daming sat-sat. So, I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Mwah! Mwah! Just a quick update about my memory card, mga palangga. My memory card still doing the memory card error. It will allow me to film for a few minutes and then it will say memory card error and then I have to physically turn off the camera and then film again. It will film for a few minutes again and then it will be just doing the same thing all over and all over again. I've already formatted the memory card and I just don't know what's the problem. I think the problem is the memory card itself, but if you have the knowledge on how to sort this problem, please comment down below. It will be much appreciated, mga palangga. So thanks in advance and yeah, I will close this vlog now. Maraming salamat!